Wind chimes, the sound of health, wealth, and prosperity. The gentle tinkling sound emanating from the wind chimes meanders in the space with positive energy, thereby attracting happiness and prosperity. Though opted more as a decorative piece, but it is actually a very vital part of Feng Shui concept. Beautifully crafted wind chimes, amalgamated with Feng Shui elements, attract good luck to your abode. Apart from adding style and beauty to the house, the Feng Shui wind chimes are powerful enough to attract hope, wealth, happiness, and prosperity by placing the right type of wind chime in the right direction. Talking about wind chimes, it is imperative to know about the different aspects like the material, number of rods, and right direction in which it is to be placed to yield positive results. Each wind chime has a different sound that has different characteristics and performs differently. So let's juggle the various aspects before bringing in a beautiful wind chime for your house. And guys, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos. Among so many types, perhaps metal wind chimes are the most preferred one. Owing to the serene tinkling sound produced by the metal rods, they are the most common choice for every household. Metal wind chimes placed in the northwest direction enhances the number of helpful people around you and also safeguards travels and tours. Metal wind chimes can also be placed in the west direction to enhance creativity of all types and also bring in children's well-being. Ceramic wind chimes are not very melodious in sound but looks quite beautiful and elegant. Ceramic wind chimes attract good luck when placed in the southwest, center, and northeast zone. Bamboo or wooden wind chimes have their own story and sound to speak. When placed in the east direction, it brings good luck to the family and also promotes good health. A bamboo or wooden wind chime in southeast attracts wealth for the residents. Number plays a vital role in keeping the energy flowing and incorporating positive vibrations. In Feng Shui as well, the number of rods in a wind chime determines its effect on the all-round well-being of the residents. A wind chime having 3 pipes or multiples of 3 like 6, 9, 12 pipes attracts wealth, accomplishment and attainment in life. A wind chime with 4 pipes symbolizes strong foundation and establishes security. A wind chime with 5 pipes depicts all 5 elements and represents dynamic change in a positive way. 7 is the number of knowledge. A 7-rod wind chime helps deepen knowledge and expand the learning horizon. Number 8 symbolizes all positivity in life like growth, success and ongoing abundance. As per Feng Shui, wind chimes charges the stagnant area and activates it. The sound of wind chimes make the space of house, office, garden auspicious by warding off harmful energy. All sounds are energy and the tinkling gentle sound of the wind chime attracts positive energy. Perhaps wind chimes are the most opted Feng Shui cure as it has all potency to attract happiness and prosperity for you and your family. So bring in a wind chime for your abode and let the sound of good luck keep flowing in.